Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to make green meadow grass texture pattern background in Adobe Illustrator. Draw an ellipse shape. Use eyedropper tool shortcut I to pick color. Go to effect menu and distort and transform and roughen. Size 80% and select absolute and detail 20 for each. Copy Ctrl C and paste in print Ctrl F. Pick color with eyedropper tool. Make duplicates. Give different green shade colors to them. Copy Ctrl C and paste in print Ctrl F. You can use Alt key and drag for duplicate shapes. Draw a horizontal shape. Select all. Ctrl A. Right click and make clipping masks. Ctrl 7. Finally, your green meadow grass texture background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create green herbal texture background in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.